Hi, I'm Anil Jacob. This is Universal Principles of Design. In this movie, 5 hat racks for how to choose the right information design tool for the job. On the morning of January 28, 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger was prepping for launch at Cape, Florida. Temperature at the launch pad was 36 degrees Fahrenheit or about 2.2 degrees Celsius, the lowest temperature for a space shuttle launch in history. Just a few hours earlier, a small group of engineers quickly assembled a series of slides to make the case that the O-rings that sealed the solid rock boosters would fail in such cold temperatures. The slides showed images of past solid rock boosters lined up in chronological order, highlighting launch temperatures and the O-ring damage. Unfortunately, organizing the data by time rather than temperature obscured the relationship between temperature and O-ring damage. The engineers chose the wrong information design tool for the job, and the conclusion, past launch data was inconclusive. The launch would go forward as planned. So at 11:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Space Shuttle Challenger was launched. 58 seconds later, the O-rings failed, and 15 seconds after that, Challenger exploded, killing all 7 crew members. The information design guru Avert has argued that a simpler graph based on temperature versus the number of O-rings damaged could have stopped for launch and averted disaster. Whether this is true or not, we can never know. But we do know that when time is short and stress is high, we need to do everything we can to streamline our design thinking and execution. And this gives us time to focus on asking and answering the right questions. Something that would have helped the engineers in this regard would have been 5 hat racks. The 5 hat racks is a metaphor proposed by Richard Solverman, designer and creator of TED conferences. The idea is that there are 5 ways to organize all information. They are alphabetical, categorical, continuum, location, and time. Alphabetical, which refers to organization by alphabetical sequence. Organize information alphabetically. When it is referential in nature, when efficient nonlinear access to specific items is required, or when no other organizing strategy is appropriate. Entries in dictionaries and encyclopedias are usually organized alphabetically. Then comes category, which refers to organization by similarity or relatedness. Organizing information by category when clusters of similarity exist between the information, or when people will naturally seek out information by category. A person searching for an automobile might want to browse by categories such as car, truck, or van. Continuum refers to organization by magnitude. Organize information by continuum when comparing things across a common measure. For example, the effects of temperature on O-ring damage. Location, which refers to organization by geographical or spatial reference. When information is meaningful related to the geography or a place, emergency exit maps and travel guides are often organized by geographical and spatial references. And time, which refers to organization by chronological order. Organizing information by time when presenting and comparing events over fixed durations, or when a time-based sequence is involved, such as a step-by-step procedure. Timeline in TV guide schedules are usually organized by time. Most importantly, make sure you select the hat rack that best answers the key questions being asked. It's not about making pretty graphs, it's all about clearly answering questions. So whether you use the 5 hat racks to create more effective information design, to organize efficient room and building layouts, or to expedite the creation of reports and graphs, to avoid disaster, remember, always choose the right information design tool for the job.